We are now on the era of bring out your evidence. My people, hey, hey. If you dey carry case for head wey you no get evidence, my brother, my sister, make you go look for your evidence o, e get why. Una know say na inside yesterday wey we sit down feke, na information dey fly the whole media space say Omoyele Sowore and Ipa im write to IGP say make dem compel Ipa make im bring im CCTV camera wey dey for im house to show dat Regina Daniel dey into druggy, while Regina Daniel too go bring out her own evidence also wey show say im kpai person for inside house, say dat girl no talk dat thing wey she talk out of ignorance or out of say emotion. Say everything wey Regina use her mouth talk during dis saga, she meant it and it happens. Even though according to the information that Omoyele Sowore bin never even get evidence say Regina just tell am standing on the fact say everything that has happened, that she has altered, that she came out to say, all of them put together na truth and nothing but the truth, that she's not under the influence of anything when she dey talk am. She no take druggy when she dey talk am. Na the truth. Say na wetin Ipa just want make the whole world know be that say make dem talk say she dey take druggy so that anything wey she come out come talk, people no go believe. Whereas na wetin happen na she dey talk. Na how im dey take do with other of im wives. The same thing with Chantel. Say Chantel dey into druggy, this one, that one, wey make her family come carry her. They no even want story. They no want drag matter. They no want talk too much. They carry their daughter enter house. That one too come dey alright. She just move on with her life. She no dey for back and forth because e go dey her difficult to win the case over Ipa. But na Regina own come be the bone wey dey for im neck. This one sef, e pass croaker fish bone, because in short, abi na tilapia, which of the fish sef even strong well well. Na im be Regina for on top of this man neck, because she no gree o. She say she no be Chantel, she no be other wives wey e go give them name wey they go carry am dey waka all the days of their life. Nowhere wey Chantel go appear now wey they no go carry that eye of druggy take dey look am. No matter how she don take wash herself, no matter how she take don beautiful reach, no matter how she take be celebrity reach, e get where e go still reach wey they go still carry the name take rub am for her body like shit. So like this, Regina say lie o. She no gree. Couple with the backings, even when she don bring medical reports from Obodo Ibo, she still dey stand on say until Ned come out come confess to the whole world why im go talk say she dey take gbana, why im talk say she dey take ukpomeli, why im talk say she dey take powder, why im talk say she dey take Coca-Cola, come join with Igbo join inside this matter. Omo, say e go need to come prove. Anybody, na im dey always dey talk am say whoever allege must prove. Now wey you don come use your mouth talk am, no be alleging, na you talk am without thinking twice, e go come bring evidence. Say they won't really see the evidence apart from medical reports wey im carry come from the hospital wey im carry am come from. Say Regina dey take druggy 5 different ones. Say they won't see video evidence. No how wey she no go take am for house now. And no how as a whole senator wey im be, he carry himself by himself take fire himself for leg when he bring CCTV footage of Sammy to prove a point to Nigerians say he get CCTV camera for him house where Sammy come dey whoa see am. But the way him be take talk am no be how e be for CCTV camera, because him talk say Sammy come scatter the whole place, gather all the children outside. Everybody was scared. They were running up and down, helter skelter, as him come. This one, and whereas he only came and was emphasizing on say he won't see his sister where his sister dey, as then give his sister home rehabilitation. He say he won't see his sister, make them release his sister, make them come out her for the room where they put her. He won't see her. Now waiting, he was busy shouting be that on that video wey surface. Now Ipa bin make am look as if na something else. Thank God for the CCTV camera, because what people expected was not what they saw. So they can't know say almost small trace of lie dey for im matter o. E come kuku turn the whole thing again. He say yes, the guy they insult am, this one that one. He doesn't have a life of his own. He's always coming up and down, going all over the house. He no wan allow Regina see front. How would a brother will not have a life of his own? Now his sister, now they follow up and down. This one, that one, he talk that one. He say that the reason we make a Ekpakpo Sammy be that carry am go put am for Kirikiri. Now, as Omoyele Sowore talk yesterday, say make them come out with evidence. He be never even know. He say he won't see evidence where Regina take the whatever, no how wey e go be say e no dey. As im talk am, e suppose get evidence, and Regina too go come out with her own evidence wey she too get against him. All the papers of the one wey e tear her backside, wey dem go carry her go Mizamiye hospital, all dem don bring out medical report. The one wey im scatter the place, carry im third leg take scatter the girl, federal government wey God carry give her from heaven, e give her. E come go dey put am for different places, scatter the whole place. As in this one, all these ones wey Ipa do so, e reach the trauma wey be say for her life she no fit ever forget. Even if she leave this marriage for 10 good years, e go hard Regina to forget everything wey Ipa don do her. Couple with that tearing of back, the one wey if e don take that thing wey she talk say na Regina talk am, no me talk am o. That thing wey dey always take before im go Nakademus dem, wey dey make im thing, wey go make am be like say e dey come whereas im dey go. That thing, anytime wey im don take am, im no go come know wetin im dey do again. E go come go burst another hole apart from the one wey God don burst keep, wey dey suppose dey go up, dey go down inside. E go come go dey do another thing. Couple apart from that one, like so many things wey Regina say her eye see, according to the Regina o, I no dey there o, I no know o. Na she come talk am, say e go even gather the wives dem, make dem dey touch im body, make dem do their self first before im go come do the do. Like all these things put together, e reach make dem call this man a man of a particular concern. That imagine a man, as he don know talk say omo Regina wan come scatter im reputation finally. Na im tear race go court say make dem serve her later, say from now henceforth dem no wan see their marital matter online again. Until they are able to settle their differences. They don't want to see any I say who say land matter, buying matter, everything matter online. Omo, na im dey say Regina finally carry the buying matter. Una know say dem say na Ned Nwoko cousin, allegedly according to them o, say na im cousin na im that person be wey kpai that time, wey dem come go put the person for ground. After e don kpai, dem go put am for small space. They no even allow people to know. They put the guy for ground, bury am like that. Na so the guy own take finish. Na they say Regina don bring evidence o, video of the incident wey happen, carry give Omoyele Sowore. Apart from that one, una know say already the family don see am. She still send am go give im papa, at least make e dey for im papa phone also dey chillax, because im papa too na lawyer. Regina Daniel papa na also lawyer. According to Regina, she talk am, she say if no be Nigeria wey happen to her father by now, dem nobody for, as in dem no go talk one, dem no go call one lawyer wey dem no go call am. No be this self-acclaimed lawyer wey Ipa dey claim say im be. I practice in the US, wey we just dey hear, wey be say e come dey do things wey be say on a normal time, normal citizen sef no fit do wetin im wey come be lawyer dey do. Now papa Regina, as Regina send am for am, e watch am, e enter house, e no even talk, because everly no be today, e don tey wey e don already see am. But im sha don know talk say the reason wey make Regina, as she don bring am out, she need to distribute am so that in case as im dey hack phone up and down, dey hack her data. According to the Regina, say Ipa hack her phone, he hack her data, he hack her conversation, he hack her every people wey she dey talk to and all. So at any given time, he can hack it. If he know say e dey for her phone, na another gbese. So na so she take distribute am for everybody. Omoyele Sowore, her father or her mother, everybody, she distribute am for them. Na im dey say as the IGP they send down the video of that particular scene. You know say if you as a man you think say you stubborn, you rugged, say nobody wey go bring you down, nothing wey dey happen, anything wey dem wan do carry am go carry am come, you be senator or you are big, nothing, you no go know talk say the day when the mighty will fall na just small something like this, small something na im go happen wey breeze go blow fowl yansh go open. As dem send am to IGP, una know say Omoyele Sowore and all these police wey dey do unnecessary, wey dey do injustice, wey be say dem go see blue dey call am black, e and dem no dey settle. Say immediately wey the IGP see the video from Omoyele Sowore, the man shock because he know say this one dem no go fit cover am, dem no go fit hide am, because if dem even hide am or dem cover am or dem no wan talk about the case, dem no wan talk about the matter, say hey, e go be because Omoyele Sowore go come expose dem, come carry their name drag dem like I pass my neighbor generator. So like this, immediately when him too see am, message from Omoyele Sowore, he open am, he see the video, omo, he see am, he was short of words. Immediately he send am to Ipa, say see o, this very one is coming from Omoyele Sowore. He just send it to me now, and he is giving you another this thing to come defend yourself. Say no be the matter be this one. Say but they still dey wait for that Regina Daniel own o, because one after the other na they drop am now like this. So that one wey you say Regina Daniel do, we go need to see am so that we go dey sure say she actually did it. She actually dey take all those things, because you still dey stand on the ground say na lie, they go for that result. They tell you they even they send message to where the hospital wey she do am, say if they find out say na lie, say they go sue them, they go do this, they go do that, they will go down for it, this one, that one. So as you dey interested in knowing fully well say she no dey negative, she say she dey negative, so we go need to see video of where she dey take those things. No how wey you no go get evidence na, abi na only paper evidence na you get, abi na the Regina herself wey you say you go carry make dem go rerun am. What if as they go rerun am, e still be negative? But at least as you been already tell us, we need to see it. Bring out your CCTV footage. Now they say as he pass see the video, he was so devastated. He was in panic. He no even know what he go do with his life. He say, hey, IGP say talk. This one, I think is coming from an ordinary person. We see if we look away. But like this, so it's not coming from an ordinary person. Omoyele Sowore for this case, now they say Ipa quickly send the video to Papa Regina Daniel. And you know, say from the very beginning, Ipa still get limits to how he go take call Papa Regina Daniel or do call am for anything or drag am for anything, because initially from the very beginning he was never in support, and that is why Ned Nwoko did not go bother to call him, say see, I see your daughter, I like your daughter, I wan marry your daughter. That is why he go through the mother. He was never in support and can never and would never in his life be in support of Ipa going after his daughter. Now as Ipa come send am the message, he read am, he do like say he no read am. Now whether na because of say as he read am, he do like say he no read am, na Ipa come call am say if una remember when he dey drag Mama Regina Daniel say he give her money, there was never a time wey he drag Papa Regina say he give Papa Regina money. Papa Regina say ever since Regina dey that house, I no sure say he don come that house for say come sit down. He avoided everything that has to do with Ipa. They fit see themselves for airport, for road, for hotel, for anywhere, but you see Ipa house, he avoid am, and he no want anything money wey go join them. Normally, you know say man to man, e dey always get as e be. But the Mama Regina na im dey give money, he dey send her money, he dey do so many things with money for where she dey. But Papa Regina, nothing like that ever happen between the both of them. Now you know say e no go get mouth, e no go fit insult, e no go fit talk anything, na beg e go even dey beg. Now as he send am, he come talk say see the message wey IGP send for am, dey say na Regina na im send am for person wey send am for person wey send am for person, that this is not what they planned o, this is not how it is o, this one, that one, and na Papa Regina say he look in time, he say imagine the time you are calling me, I even pick the call because I don't want any evil to happen to you, and I don't want in the situation whereby they will say because my daughter just came back from Obodo Ibo, something bad happened to you. That is the reason why I picked this call. If you are calling me because of that particular video that you sent earlier, at this point in time, that means something is wrong somewhere. Please and please, sir, if you don't want her to implicate you more, leave my daughter alone. Allow my daughter to have peace, and don't you ever call me as regard this particular video. And besides, you said it practically, even when this girl is trying to hide your name because of her children, trying to cover your reputation because she once called you good names, she once called you Odogu and all, representing you everywhere she goes, but you turn your back and you are now doing things. I don't even want to talk about this whole stuff. Please and please, sir, avoid me and my family. Stay away from us. We've already taken this case to court, and we agreed that we will meet in court. I don't know why you are coming to call me. What's the essence of calling, and why is this call that important to you that you are not even calling me this late? Omo, Papa Regina no gree o. He no gree at all. He make sure say he put am for him body woto 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 as suppose. Now, na im Papa Regina cut im call. Ipa no know who im wan even run go meet, because Mama Regina the last time we check, she still dey battle looking for how she go take carry Ipa bride price go give am make she get herself, get her sanity. Regina say she's not coming back anywhere. Sammy say stay away from my sister, else I don go do boxing because of you. Destiny say leave my sister alone. So you see, all the whole family are all against you. Nobody wey even wan stand gidigba. The one wey suppose stand wey dey in the same picture with Ipa, that one dey Obodo Ibo. So im talk no even hold bucket because im don kukuma don betray on a normal day. So you see, tell me how you wan take win this one now. Hey, as Papa Regina don give am cut am warning say no try am o. Already you don see am na, for you to know say my daughter dey more smarter than you. Even you wey get yourself, you bin no even know. Before Regina start dey do all those drama, she don copy everything, and for the same that is why they were emphasizing on that CCTV camera. Everything she don copy am before she come out come do in Ned Nwoko's house I am nobody, in my house I am a queen. She don already copy the datas and all from the CCTV. So that's why she dey give Sowore hint say make im dey emphasize on the CCTV footage. Say a lot of things dey that footage wey even the world, by the time wey dem see am, they go dey shock. Say could this be? Say even everything wey she dey talk say e do to her, e believe say some of them go even still dey for that footage. So abeg, make dem tell am make im come show dem the footage, make im come post am make everybody see. My people, hey, this case is now between Ned Nwoko, the IGP, Sowore, Papa Regina Daniel, and hey, amongst others. Hey, now na who go settle this case, because omo is getting out of hand already. Regina coming back, omo, is for a purpose, because they say who you no see, e go hard for you to fight for am. Now wey she don come, face me, I face you, compound to compound, house to house, oha for oha, egusi for egusi, anyhow wey you want am, they are ready. Oya o, let's keep our fingers crossed, because the whole drama is just about to get started. My people, na the talk with this o, na the koko, na the matter wey dey ground, wey dey fly the whole social media like chinch. Now I carry come for una. So make una come, make we interact. To do it, to give the video a massive thumbs up, help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. What are your take in all of this? You think say Papa Regina would have still given him a listening ears? Maybe he want to apologize and make it work, or what do you guys think? Or Papa Regina is the best ever in the world? Make una come, make we interact. See you guys. Bye for now.